Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 26, 2019, where we just don't talk about the news. We see where the news is going to go according to the price charts. Going to talk about Ethereum for today and how this article right here is talking about how it is massively undervalued, while EOS is exponentially overvalued. Thank you all for watching this video on today. If you do appreciate it, go ahead and like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that bell notification so you become notified when we upload this very easy to understand and see price movement forecast. Want more information about the other altcoins that we cover? You have to sign up at our website. Link will be in the description of this video so you can see what we're expecting for the rest of the cryptocurrency space. Now, article right here just came out today with the title that Ethereum is massively undervalued. Now, the question is, should you buy Ethereum then if that's the case? We're going to look at this research company called Placeholder and see why they are stating that Ethereum is considerably undervalued. Placeholder. Now, they're a New York-based crypto venture capital partnership that invests in decentralized information networks. They released a research that indicates that Ethereum may be the most relatively undervalued smart contract platform. Now, Chris Berninsky, a partner at Placeholder, tweeted about the company's network value to token value ratio, a model for determining value in the cryptocurrency space. Now, this ratio divides the network value of a smart contract platform by the total value of all the assets launched on that platform. Talking about dApps or other cryptocurrencies. The question that I have is, how do they determine the network value? For example, Ethereum currently trades at 2 times the value of all assets on its platform, whereas EOS trades at 234 times. So it tells you that majority of the network is being done on EOS comparative to the total value of all the assets, or simply that there's no value being placed, or the network value is too high on EOS where it is too low on Ethereum. Now, this new ratio that they created here at Placeholder is used to try to help them get around the fake transaction volumes and other forms of manipulation that have thus far made the NVT ratio less useful for a smart contract platform. Now, NVT is the old way, I guess, many research companies were utilizing to value cryptocurrencies. NVT stands for network value to transactions. They created a new one, which is sort of like a ratio, but it isn't perfect. This is what Berninsky says, but it represents an upgrade over the old NVT. Now, the ratio has its own flaws. Talk about their ratio, the Placeholder ratio, but their thinking is that the market price of assets is the most efficient metric crypto has. Again, that's why we focus only on the price charts. Now, even though Placeholder maintains that volume is fake, but you can still use it to your benefit because it's energy as to whether or not a cryptocurrency is going to move higher or lower. You have to understand that. Henceforth, while we strictly focus on the price chart. even placeholder realizes that market price is the most efficient metric crypto has, because it tells you what people value. So now, founded in 2017, Placeholder has several leading cryptocurrencies in its portfolio, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, 0x, Decred, MakerDAO, and Zcash. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and look at the price chart so we can determine the value of Ethereum and see if it's massively undervalued. Now, last time we did our video for Ethereum was on July 18th, and you can see what we expected the market to do since then. And we had TP at $230. The market on the 20th came all the way up there to $235.27. So we did hit our TP price. Go back and check out that video. It is still there on YouTube. If we would have taken out at the high, we would have gotten 5.34% profit to the upside in that. So TP price though, almost 3 cents. I'm sorry, 3%. Okay. So now let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's talk about if Ethereum is undervalued. Now, how can you determine that? I suspect that as we continue to see this market develop, the cryptocurrency space, that we're going to have many other ratios, mathematical formulas to come out so people can try to get a gauge as to what is the true value of cryptocurrencies. And it's going to make the market more complicated, because everyone thinks that complication is the way to riches, and it's not the case. Simplicity is the way to riches. So now, let's take a look at Ethereum on a monthly time frame real quick. Okay, and you can clearly tell that Ethereum, even though we have 5 days left in the month of July, they were still showing a lot of weakness coming to this place. Okay, so now the market is not giving us strength right now. Long-term support, $200 in Ethereum. I'm telling you that now. Long-term, meaning on a monthly basis, this is where the market is holding support. We cannot break below that. But understand that when you look at it on the weekly time frame, we did break this ascending line to the upside on a massive push to go down bar. So this cryptocurrency is still weak. The only hope is going to be right there around $200. Right around the lows of these weekly bars. If we break $200, maybe around 190, 160 is going to be the next place. Okay. So until we see the market in Ethereum give us a change of tone, this weakness that came in is still in play. All right. What I'm expecting, it's kind of like what happened during these weeks. Consolidational trading right there between 190 all the way up there to around 240 to 250. Okay. So as of right now, according to the price chart, Ethereum is not massively undervalued. So let's just expect the market in Ethereum to hold some consolidational trading, continue that way. We have given you those price ranges for the long-term consolidational trading, and right now we're still giving the same thing, consolidational trading. So I'm not going to go ahead and put on a price target for Ethereum. I'm still just seeing that consolidational trading continue to occur. Okay. Now, what we are seeing though on the small time frame is the market in Ethereum making higher lows in the space right here, and if we can capitalize on this low here, the market is anticipated to try to hit that 225 to 230 price area at least. Okay. So I mean, you can play that on a short time frame, but in the long term, definitely just seeing that consolidational trading. Okay. So right now, I will put this one on a 3 hour. Okay. Of the market and Ethereum moving to the upside. TP is going to be 220 to around that 225 price. I'm going to hold that support right around there. Okay, so if we do get some weakness coming in around 220, we'll just exit out that position at 1%, 1.25%. But all in all, just see that consolidational trading. If we take it at 225, that would be about 4% profit. All right, so let's just see how this market plays out in Ethereum over the next couple of days. All right, make sure y'all maintain profitability, and I will talk to you all later.